What is up, friends and fam of YouTube? Today, I received a care package for this thing. It's a catch can for catching things, particularly oil, and a FM. It's an FM, AM filter. It's an air filter, a dry flow air filter at that. So I'm going to be plopping that thing in, and I'm going to be plopping the catch can in, so follow along. I dive right into it. I'm gonna show you guys the box and what's in the box. What's in the box? So, sticker, lovely. We all love stickers. A hose install kit, I'm gonna call it. We got the clear, gross hose that gets brown and doesn't look very good under the hood when it's all brown towned. So, this is the catch can. CUSCO, made in Japan. Beautiful, beautiful. And there is the bracket for it, which is gorgeous. I love when things just work. So it looks like this thing's just gonna work. So I'm gonna do the obvious. I'm gonna get 2 bolts, bolt that down, and then I'm gonna grab the catch can and bolt it in that bracket. And then I'm going to tie into this hose right here. Now this catch can is designed to be an atmospheric catch can, even though people do. I couldn't find anything on YouTube about this because some people installed it with 2 hoses installed, some did it with 1. I'm going to do it with just 1 for now. And I'm going to vent it over here. You'll see. But it's designed to be an atmospheric. It's designed specifically to interfere with this, intercept this hose here. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I'm going to get to it right now. All right, peeps. Can you see that? That's downright dirty. That's dirty dog down there. It's disgusting. That, my friends, you can see some sludgy poo in there, is why you catch can, my friends. That's why you catch can. And that is why that hose is gonna get brown town real quick. So, that is on. Beautiful bracket, by the way, CUSCO. I approve. Fits perfectly, and it looks great. Almost World Rally Blue. Maybe it is World Rally Blue. I don't know. But anyway, I am going to put on the cap on the intake that was provided. And then I'm going to run the hose all the way to there. And I'm going to see if there's any hose left off just to run it in that perfect little spot down there. So let's get to her. All right, so as you guys saw, I had my factory hose here. I decided not to use it just because of how rock hard it is, and when I was bending it, the way that the instructions that I can't understand show, it was causing stress marks, and it would have split. So I thankfully had another silicone hose laying around for this exact piece, and I used it. So if you're gonna do this, prepare yourself and just buy some hose of this size. That way you can take it to where the instructions that you can't read say, because they're in Japanese. So all I can understand is, yeah, I did that. It's pointing at that hose because you're gonna use that hose, I assume. And then here in that bottom picture, you can see that they hook up to it, and they provide that little metal sleeve that right here. So yeah, that's what I did. Don't drop your bolt down here like I did. It took me an extra 20 minutes to get my bolt out, so don't do that and you'll be fine. If you're gonna do what I did here, cut it and use this as a dump tube, sort of. The instructions don't really call for this. I just like to do it so oil just doesn't, or anything just doesn't right here. So if you're gonna cut it, be careful because there's a metal spring in this hose that you do have to shave off, and I did it to both ends. I did it this end, and the end down there, so it's not going to snag on anything. I am going to monitor the rubbing between these 2 hoses here. I'm not a huge fan of how this is, but I don't think it'll be that bad. They're pretty tight. There shouldn't be much shifting between them. I don't plan on using this hose forever anyway, and if I'm going to change it up, I'm probably just going to run it along the inside and try to move this fitting down more, but it's right against here. So it'll be hard to do. But it is a bolt-on affair. It's easy to do. I just might tweak it a bit. And I'm gonna go on to the air filter here and change that guy out with the AEM. All right, so there is the air filter comparison. Looks like this one's brand new. But that's the number for the air filter. So I'm gonna drop this bad boy in. It's kind of a pain in the ass to take it out, to be honest with you. It's fairly simple, but you'll figure it out. It's just, don't forget to unplug the MAF because it stretches it, and it just locks into teeth below, as you can see right there. But it's just a pain to split these two pieces apart. All right, guys, be aware of something. The filter does not want to go in with the pleats going that way. It does, however, slide right in when it goes up and down. My airbox is quite loose. I don't know if that's normal or not. It looks like all the mounts are there, or the bolts are there. But when that thing's on, it's a lot more sturdy. Now I have to put everything back together. All right, guys, this is gonna be my thumbnail. I think it looks cool. The engine light, you know, looks good. But it's not complete until you lay down some stickers. I'm not usually a sticker guy, but today I thought, what the hell? This went really smooth. I really like it. I'm gonna see how it lasts. Again, I'm gonna keep an eye on how it rubs against things. Hopefully not. There's probably an easier way to do the air filter, but I just took the 1/2 off because I was having troubles. So yeah, hopefully you don't. But overall, smooth. Probably get them both done in an hour. I'm super stoked. Looks really good. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be aware that this one can be used as both, but I'm using it as it's intended to because I don't think it has a baffle or anything in it, which is important when it's getting rerouted back into the intake. So it's more so designed for this way, so I'm gonna leave it that way, and like I said, just monitor it and go from there. So if you like what you see, check out the channel. There's a lot of stuff going on, especially on that thing. Tomorrow, I'll be doing a lot. I got so many parts in, and I gotta do the valve cover still. But as for this thing, this is done. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, and subscribe. All right, everybody. Peace.